The Saranya Ayurveda Hospital is situated at a village in the Boluvampatty valley of the Western Ghats next to the Coimbatore Palakkad Highway. It's a serene, quiet little place. Anyone visiting here might mistake it for some sort of a nature resort or retreat. Dr. Rohini, one of the lead doctors at the facility, says it's how the hospital was intended to be, a healing center in the lap of nature.
Nature, by its very essence, heals us by balancing the natural elements in our body, which brings about harmony to our system. The campus is blessed with natural beauty, scenic walkways shaded by the trees, wildlife like dancing peacocks and flying parrots, unpolluted air, and a calmness undisturbed by the sound of the city. Being in tune with the nature, listening to the birds and wind, experiencing the fresh air and the views of the mountain ranges, engages the five senses and heals the Panchamahabhutas.
Ayurveda is a system of traditional Indian medicine that's rooted in Prakriti or nature. In the system, cure to illnesses is achieved by restoring the harmony of the mind and body, thereby getting the person back to being in equilibrium with his nature. There's some serious work that happens at the hospital. Around the year, hundreds of people come here seeking treatment. They come from all over India and many parts of the world, convinced that the ancient Indian system of medicine has a cure for their illnesses that other systems of medicine do not. Ayurveda dates back several centuries. Its therapies include herbal medicine, special diets, meditation, yoga, massage, purgatives, enemas, and medical oils. Ancient Ayurveda texts also taught lifestyle and diet modifications, which helps in maintaining a healthy body and mind. The Saranya Ayurveda Hospital itself draws its lineage from the late Padma Shri awardee Dr. PR Krishnakumar, one of the tallest figures of Ayurveda in India from recent history. He settled the hospital in its current 30-acre campus along with a large residential facility and an Ayurveda academy. He also ensured that the best qualified and trained doctors and nursing staff served here.
At Saranya, our aim is to provide utmost patient care. Our doctors are well qualified and have further undergone training to manage the patient in the AVP lineage of practice of authentic Ayurveda. We make sure that there are physicians and support staff 24/7 on campus for any emergency care that the patient might need. Another additional thing we are proud of is that we try to freshly prepare as much medicines we can on our campus in our instant medicine unit, so that the medicine delivery is highly effective and preservative free. Our support staff, the nurses or parijarakas, pharmacy staff and others are all highly skilled and dedicated to the well-being of those who trust us with their healthcare. We do continue training sessions for all staff, including doctors, so that they maintain their uniformity and quality of patient care year after year.
Saranya Ayurveda is Coimbatore's first NABH accredited Ayurveda hospital. Here several types of diseases are managed, including orthopedic diseases, neuromuscular disorders, skin diseases, infertility, autoimmune diseases, gynecological disorders, diabetes, obesity, hypertension, among various others. Few Ayurveda treatment centers in the country come close to it in terms of dispensing what is best of the time-tested tradition.